Radhe Radhe to everyone. So welcome to you all. Here we are solving questions from matrices. So our question is this. So it has no solution. It is given that it has no solution. Number. Okay, number we have to find. So let's first find its determinant. Okay, it is 3 sine 3 theta minus 1 1, then 3 cos of 2 theta 4 3 6 7 and 7. So on expanding this should be 0. On expanding this we will have 21 sine 3 theta 42 cos 2 theta minus 42 equals to 0. ठीक है. Now taking 21 common, we'll have sine 3 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 equals to 0. So on solving this, first we can use sine theta formula, that is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta plus 2 into 1 minus 2 sine square theta minus 2 equals to 0. So we'll have equation out of it. 4 sine cube theta plus 4 sine square theta minus 3 sine theta equals to 0. So sine theta is 0. We have to take sine theta is 0. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ से हमने कॉमन ले लिया तो ये साइन थीटा और अंदर हमारा 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 4 साइन थीटा minus 3 equals to 0. So either this is 0 or this entire is 0. So by this our theta is either pi 2 pi 3 pi. ठीक है, when our theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. This is already given to us. ठीक है. Now these are 3 solutions. Now we have another equation as well, that is 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine theta minus 3 equals to 0. So solving this is by midterm split, and 2 sine theta plus 3 equals to 0. So either your sine theta equals to 1 by 2 and or sine theta is minus, which is not possible. Why so? Because we know कि our sine exists between -1 to +1. So उससे ज़्यादा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So ये हमारे पास values आएगी. Now in this case our theta will be pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 13 pi by 6 and 17 pi by 6. So our possible values of theta is that can be क्या हो सकती है, pi 2 pi 3 pi pi by 6 5 pi by 6 13 pi by 6 17 pi by 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ठीक है, तो 7 possible values. 7 is the answer. Now next question we have 2 by 2 matrix is there, determinant is this, determinant of this is 4, sum of the diagonal elements we have to find. तो ये हमारे पास दिया है determinant of a plus I and adjoint of a plus I equals to 4. ठीक है, तो ये हम लिख सकते हैं a adjoint of a plus a, ठीक है, then plus adjoint of a plus 1, इसका determinant is 4. now this will be, अच्छा ये हमारा आ जाएगा a क्रॉस आइडेंटिटी प्लस a प्लस adjoint of a plus 1 equals to 4. now determinant of a is given to us minus 1, then it will be a plus adjoint of a is 4. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास a जो हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा a b c and d, adjoint of a हमारे पास आ जाएगा a d माइनस b माइनस c. ठीक है, now we have sorry ये होगा d a. now this will be a plus d 0 0, a plus d is 4, so a plus d is plus minus 2, so plus 2, sum of the diagonal elements is plus 2. Okay, this option is correct option. now next question is we have given this matrices and this is no solution, lambda has to find, so determinant will be 2 minus 3 5 1 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 lambda square minus this. so on expanding we'll have equation I am writing directly, this minus 43, so this can be written as 9 lambda square minus 43. so here your determinant is 0 for 2 values of lambda, ठीक है, and out of which obviously one is negative and one is your positive. so there are 2 values of lambda for which there are one no solution. ठीक है, 2 values होगी जिसके लिए no solution आएगा. now next question, determinant a is given to matrix a and b is given to us, absolute value of sum of all values of alpha for which the determinant 0 है. तो सबसे पहले when will calculate the ab, ab हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, तो save your time and just skipping out the calculations, plus 9. ठीक है, नाउ अब हमारे पास है कि डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए बी क्या है हमारा 0. ठीक है, तो इसका हम जब डिटर्मिनेंट निकालेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा हमारा 4 अल्फ़ा प्लस 4 और ये अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फ़ा प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू 0, इस तरीके से. तो इस वाले ब्रैकेट से आ जाएगा अल्फ़ा की वैल्यू -1 -1 और अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर 2 अल्फ़ा प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू 0। तो यहाँ से हमारा सम ऑफ वैल्यूज़ ऑफ अल्फ़ा क्या आ जाएगा, ये इक्वेशन थी ना। सो सम ऑफ वैल्यूज़ ऑफ रूट्स या ना सम ऑफ रूट्स, सो वो हम लिख सकते हैं अल्फ़ा प्लस अल्फ़ा 2 इज़ -2, ठीक है। सम ऑफ ऑल वैल्यूज़ ऑफ सम ऑफ ऑल वैल्यूज़ ऑफ अल्फ़ा बोलेगा -1 -2 इज़ -3, सो उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 3 is right option. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.